So spring is here, and that means more time outside with our pets, but it also means they're at a greater risk for diseases transmitted by ticks and mosquitoes. It can be deadly to pets and harmful to humans. I spoke with veterinarians and members of the Companion Animal Parasite Council, Dr. Craig Pryor and Dr. Kason Pulaski, to get the scoop on staying safe. What is the Companion Animal Parasite Council, and what's its annual forecast?
Yeah, so the Companion Animal Parasite Council, or CAPC, we're an organization of veterinarians, veterinary staff, and parasitologists, and we really are the nation's leading experts on parasitic diseases that affect dogs and cats, like heartworm disease and Lyme disease. Every year we release our annual parasite forecast that allows veterinarians to better understand what type of parasitic disease risk is happening in their area. Now that map and that data is then used to create the 30-day forecast. So this is a website you can go to as a pet owner so that you can see in your own county what the parasitic disease risk is and for the next 30 days and maybe anywhere you're going to be traveling this spring and summer.
Let's dive into this year's annual forecast. What did it find?
Well, unfortunately, we know that parasites are dynamic and ever-changing, and they're on the move. And as they move, they take their diseases with them. So we're actually seeing that heartworm disease is increasing. Lyme disease is increasing in the Northeast. In your area, you've got more concern with heartworm disease, and ehrlichiosis is increasing as well. So it's incredibly important that you look at our maps at petdiseasealerts.org because you can see the risk at the county level. And if it's at the county level, it means it's in your backyard. So you need to then talk to your veterinarian on how best to protect your pet, not only when you're at home, but also look at the maps for when you're traveling to see the risk of where you're going to go with your pet. And because remember, if we can protect the pet, we're also helping to protect the family.
Absolutely. And a note on that protection. We want to avoid heartworm or any other parasites. So what can we do to protect our pets?
The number one thing is going to be making sure that all of your pets see your vet at least once a year. So as Dr. Pryor's mentioned, your vet is going to be the local expert. So they're going to have the best knowledge and understanding of how best to protect your pets there in your area. Making sure we get all of those pets in at least once a year, making sure that we're testing for these diseases, because fortunately, most of these diseases we can test for in the clinic. And then on top of that, keeping all of your pets on year-round protection. So this includes 12 months of heartworm prevention, as well as a year-round flea and tick control. And then maybe depending on your area or where you might be traveling to, you may want to talk to your vet about whether or not the Lyme vaccine is a good choice for your dog.
And you can get a monthly parasite forecast showing what diseases are active and threatening pets in your specific county. Just go to petdiseasealerts.org. You can also subscribe to get an alert when there's an outbreak in your area.